In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a GIF in Canva. Let's start with a simple design-based GIF. Open Canva and either open an existing design or create a new one. A square template is a great all-purpose choice because it works well across social platforms. Think of each page in your design as a single frame in the final GIF. Add your images, text, or graphics to each page or slide, arranging them in the order you want them to appear. Keep your layout consistent from page to page if you're going for a smooth, looping effect, or vary the elements for a more dynamic look. To add motion, select any element, like a text box or image, and click Animate in the top toolbar. Choose a motion style that matches your message. Subtle movements tend to read cleanly in GIFs. If you want the whole page to animate, click on the page itself and use the Animate button there. You can also set simple slide style transitions this way, which is helpful when you're building a frame-by-frame sequence. Next, adjust the timing so your GIF feels natural. Click the page and then the clock or timeline icon to set the duration for that page. Shorter times, like 0.5 seconds, make a snappier GIF, while slightly longer times help viewers read text clearly. Keep similar scenes at similar durations for consistency, and give important text a bit more time on screen so it's easy to follow. When everything looks right, click Share, then Download. In the File Type drop-down, choose GIF. This will bundle your pages and animations into a looping GIF file. If it plays back too fast or too slow after downloading, don't worry, just return to your design, tweak the page durations or animations, and download again until it feels smooth. You can also make a GIF from a video clip. Upload your MP4 or MOV file to Canva and open it in an existing design. Drag the video onto the canvas and resize or crop it to fit your layout. Use the handles on the video timeline to trim the clip to the exact moment you want to capture. Keep it short and focus. Shorter clips make cleaner GIFs and smaller file sizes. Add text overlays or simple effects if you want to highlight key points or create captions. When you're ready, click Share, then Download, select GIF as the file type, and download your animated GIF. That's it. Whether you're building frame by frame or trimming a video, Canva makes the process quick and flexible. Thanks for watching.